Hi everyone, today we're doing a hot spiced cider. For the cider you're going to need 6 cups of apple juice or cider, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 8 to 10 whole cloves. It also calls for 1/4 teaspoon of grated orange rind. I just used a vegetable peeler and peeled off 2 sections of the orange peel. And you're also going to need some orange slices. Now here I have a reusable cloth tea bag and I'm going to use this for my cloves. It's going to keep them all together in a bag. That way when it comes time to get them out of the pot, I'm not fishing for each one. Bringing everything together is super easy. You're just going to add everything to a pot except for the orange slices. Then you're just going to heat to the temperature that you like to serve your hot drinks. My favorite thing about this recipe is that it's one of the few vintage drink recipes I've found that doesn't have added sugar in it somehow, and I always get kind of excited when I find things like that. This cider is going to be perfect for the upcoming cooler months when you just want something warm and cozy and relaxing, but not something so fussy that you can't throw it together last minute. This recipe is so easy. As long as you have the ingredients on hand, it's super easy to make. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super quick and easy, but sometimes those recipes are the best. I hope you all are having a great end of summer, early fall season. I hope you're looking forward to the cooler weather like I am. And warm drinks are best enjoyed with friends, so don't worry, I poured you one too. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more vintage recipes, and also hit that notification bell and you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much guys, I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.